Morning students. Now today we are going to learn chapter number 5 data handling in it about probability. Now what do you mean of probability? Probability is the measure of the chance of the happening of an event. Any event, suppose maybe we have a 1 rupee coin, right? So there are two chances, one is head, another is tail. So whatever number of the chances happening an event is known as what? Probability, right? Now, then other experiments. An experiment is a situation involving chance or probability that leads to an outcome, right? So whatever we get after spinning the coin, either maybe we get head or tail. So it is known as what? Experiment involving chance. There are two chances, right? Either head or tail. So it is known as what? Experiments, right? Then after outcomes. So outcomes, either maybe we get head or tail. It is known as what? Outcome. An outcome is a result of a single trial of an experiment, right? And events. An event is one or more outcomes of an experiment. Maybe we are spinning whatever number of the times, so it is known as what? Event, right? Now then after probability means what? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. It's a formula to find out probabilities of the given. Got it? Now on the basis of that, we are going to learn example exercise number 5.3. See the first example. List the outcomes you can see in these experiments. First one, spinning a wheel. If spinning a wheel, there are how many outcomes may be possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 2 times A, B, C and D. So total number of outcomes how many? 5, right? So what are the outcomes? A, yeah, A, B, C, D, right? But total number of outcomes how many? 5. Now next, tossing two coins together. Two coins. So maybe we get head from the boat, right? As well as head and tail. Same way, tail and head, and 4 times tail, right? Got it? 2 coins. So 2 times, maybe 1 times we get head from the boat, head and tail and head, as well as tail and tail. Got it? Now second, when a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting. In dice, we knows how many numbers we have? 1 to 6. Possible. So possible outcomes are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Are the possible outcomes. Now then after a prime number. Out of those 6 numbers, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. Right? As well as not a prime number. 1, right? Then after 4, 6. So 1, 4, 6. Third means second, a number greater than 5. Number greater than 5 is only what? 6. Right? Second, a number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So all of you understood what are the outcomes we get from this event? Good. Now third, find a probability of the pointer stopping on D in question 1A. Question 1A means what? Spinning a wheel. Probability of the pointer stopping on D in question D, right? So what is the possibility of it? There are total how many sectors? 5 sectors. A, B, C, D. So total sector are how many? 5, right? 5 sectors containing over here. How many? 5 sectors, right? Then after pointer stopping on D. So D is how many times? 1 time. So what is the possible outcome? 1. Possible outcome is equal to 1, right? Now number of total outcomes. Total number of outcomes how many? 5. Total outcomes is equal to 5, right? So for the D, we can say what is the outcome? D is equal to, as per the formula, favorable outcomes upon total outcomes is equal to 1 upon 5. Got it? Now B, probability of getting an S from AC from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. We are asking about playing cards, right? How many total number of the playing cards? 52. So how many possible outcomes? 52, right? Because in the deck total number of the playing cards are how many? 52, right? Now from it there are how many? 4 S's in a pack of 52 cards. Every type of, right? We have, do you know what do you mean of S is? Ika, right? A. So total there are 4, right? You are knowing well about it. So now equally likely outcomes. Are how many? 4, right? So probability is equal to what comes? 4 upon 52. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 13s are 52. So we can say is equal to 1 upon 13. So what is the probability over here? 1 upon 13. Got it? Now see, probability of getting a red apple, see figure below. We have to consider the given figure. Total number of the apples how many? 7. Total number of apples are how many? 7, right? So from it how many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are red? 4 red apple, right? So what is the probability? Is equal to 4 upon 7. Got it? Sure? Good. Now example number 4. Number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips. One number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of? First, getting number 6. Example number 4. Edit first. Getting a number 6. See total number of how many? 10, right? And favorable outcome 1, right? Favorable outcome is 1, right? Out of 1 to 10, one time only 6 we have, right? So probability is equal to 1 upon 10. Got it? Now second, getting a number less than 6. Now less than 6. Between 1 to 10, what are the less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So total how many? 5 numbers we have. So what probability we get over here? Probability is equal to 5 upon 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what comes? 1 upon 2. Now third, getting a number greater than 6. greater than 6. So what are the number greater than 6? 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? So probability is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 upon 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 2 upon 5. It's a clear? Good. Now 4. Getting a one digit number. One digit number. So how many one digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So probability is equal to 9 upon 10. It's a clear? Sure? Good. Now example number 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? See here, total how many sectors? We have total 5 sectors. See, 3 green sectors, 1 blue, 1 red, 3 green, 1 blue and 1 red. So total how many sectors? 5 sectors, right? Total number of the sectors how many? 5. Now number of total possible outcomes. Number of total possible outcomes is equal to what? 3. Either may be green, blue or red, right? So probability as per the color is equal to 3 upon 5. Got it? What is the probability for the green color sector? 3 upon 5. Right? Now second question, what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Non-blue means if one is blue and the remains are what? Non-blue, right? So 3 plus 1, 4. So non-blue probability, right? For non-blue. So total are 5. Out of them, 1 is blue. So what is remain? 3 plus 1, 4. So is equal to 4 upon 5. Got it? It's a probability for the what? Non-blue sector. Non-blue sector. Got it? Now next example, example number 6, which is the last of the same exercise. Find the probabilities of the events given in question number 2. Find the probabilities of the events given in the question number 2. See in the question number 2, what are the total outcomes? 6. How many outcomes? Example number 6. Total outcomes are how many? 6. Total 6 outcomes. Right? On the die. Now out of them, find the probabilities of the events given in question number 2. See the first question, a prime number, right? 2, 3 and 5 are the what? Prime number. So favorable outcomes are how many? 3. One, 2, 3, right? And total how many? 6. So is equal to 3 upon 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 upon 2, right? As it is next, not a prime number. So how many? 1, 4, 6. The what? Not a prime number. In it also, what are the number of favorable outcomes? 1, 2, 3. Favorable outcomes is equal to 3, right? So similarly 3 upon 6, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so again what comes? Same, 1 upon 2. It's a probability, right? Now third, a number greater than 5. What is the third? A number greater than 5. So which is the number greater than 5? 6. Only 1. So what is the probability over here? 1 upon 6. Got it? Now fourth, last, a number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. Which are the number not greater than 5? Are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what probability? 5 upon 6. What is the probability? 5 upon 6. So all of you understood how to find out probability from the given? Sure? Good. So here our chapter number 5, data handling, is over. Okay, bye.